Hello students, welcome to 1 Bit Extra Computer Classes. In this series we will learn characteristics of computer, limitations of computer and applications of computer. So let's start with characteristics of computer. कंप्यूटर परफॉर्म कर सकता है बहुत ही मुश्किल टास्क को बहुत ही ईजीली और एक्यूरेटली. That is very difficult to perform efficiently for a normal human being. Means computer can perform highly complex tasks with great easiness and accuracy. So let's start the points. The number one is high speed. The processing speed of computer is very high as it can process million of instructions per second. Its speed can be measured in milliseconds, that is 1,000 of a second, microseconds, that is 1 millionth of a second, and nanoseconds, that is 1,000 millionth of a second. Means it can work on its unbelievable speed. The measurement term of computer speeds are megahertz and gigahertz. The next point is accuracy. The accuracy of this machine is very high. It will always perform 100% accurate result if its input is right. Means अगर आप इसको सही input देते हो तो ये हमेशा सही output ही produce करेगा. Right input will produce right output and wrong input will produce wrong output. This principle is known as GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. The next point is diligence. It does not suffer from tiredness. ये कभी थकता नहीं है. It can work continuously for hours without making any mistake. And the accuracy in its last instruction will be same as in very first instruction. मीन्स ये सेम स्पीड और सेम एक्यूरेसी के साथ कंटिन्यूसली घंटों तक आपके लिए काम कर सकता है. इट कैन वर्क 365 days in a year, 24 hours in a day और 7 days in a week continuously for you. The next point is reliable. It is more reliable than human being. मीन्स ये ह्यूमन बींग से कहीं ज़्यादा विश्वसनीय होता है. इट कैन परफॉर्म एवरी इंस्ट्रक्शन विद हाई स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी. The next point is high storage capacity. It can store a large amount of information and we can retrieve any of information whenever we need. The next is versatility. बहुमुखी. It is versatile in nature. ये अपने नेचर में बहुमुखी होता है. At the same time it can perform different type of jobs. For example, at the same time you can open and use MS Word. At the same time you can play music as well as play any of the games. The next point is reduction in paperwork. It reduces the paperwork and then speeds up the process because it replaces the manpower. A single computer can perform the task of many persons, so it is very cheap also. So these are the characteristics of computers. Now we will see the limitations of computers. The number one, not intelligent / zero IQ. Computers are not intelligent. Computer intelligent नहीं होते. They need human instruction to perform any of the task. It has not its own IQ means its own intelligence quality. इसकी इंटेलिजेंस क्वालिटी खुद की नहीं होती. It is a dumb machine without the human instructions. The next point is lack of decision making power. A computer can't take any decision of its own. कंप्यूटर अपने आप से कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता. It only follows human instructions without making any decision. The next is no learning power. A computer doesn't learn from its past. एक कंप्यूटर अपने पास्ट से कुछ नहीं सीखता. Every time its error will be same as human instructions are same. The next is user dependency. Computer is totally dependent on human instructions to perform any of the task. The next is precise instruction set. It can perform a task only when it is given exact set of the instructions. Okay, these are the limitations of computer. Now we will see the applications of computers. In nowadays we can see computers everywhere. Applications of computer means areas of computers. In our real life, in our daily life, we can see computers in all of the fields. Let's see one by one. The first field is education. Computers are efficiently used as teaching aids in the classroom. Why? To make the topic more interesting and easily understandable with the help of computers. Next, with the increased use of internet, there are online classes, online lectures, virtual classrooms, etc. Next, computer-based training programs, CBT programs have been developed with the help of computers in the field of education. The next field is communication. With the help of internet, computer became the efficient and cheap source of communication. For example, emails, video conferencing, or instant messaging applications of computers. So now we can access information from anywhere in the world through the computers. The next field is business. कंप्यूटर अपनी इन्वेंशंस के बाद बिजनेसेस में भी बहुत ज़्यादा दिखता आया है. कंप्यूटर हेल्प्स इन बिजनेसेस टू मैनेज द अकाउंट्स, टू मैनेज द सेल्स एंड प्रोडक्शन डिटेल्स. द नेक्स्ट फील्ड इज़ रिसर्च. कंप्यूटर साइंटिस्ट के थ्रू भी यूज़ किया जाता है इन देयर रिसर्च सेंटर्स एंड लेबोरेटरीज वेयर दे परफॉर्म कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशंस and they perform data analysis with very high speed and accuracy. The next field is defense. Here computer helps in controlling complex weapon system and guided missile systems. जटिल हथियार बनाने में और मिसाइल सिस्टम्स को कंट्रोल करने में कंप्यूटर्स बहुत हेल्पफुल होते हैं इन द फील्ड ऑफ डिफेंस. टू एनक्रिप्ट द इम्पोर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड सेंड टू वेरियस डेस्टिनेशन मीन्स एनक्रिप्शन मीन्स टू चेंज द डाटा इन एनी अदर फॉर्म that cannot be understandable by any third party. So in defense field computers are widely used, or in the defense field computer helps to store large amount of military data to take crucial decisions. Okay, the next field is healthcare. It helps doctors to diagnose complicated disease with more accuracy. It helps in maintaining the medical history of patient. Or ultrasound machine, CT scan machine or ECG are also done by the computer machine. So in healthcare computers are widely used. The next field is entertainment. We can play computer-based animated games, listen music, watch movies or watch cartoons, etc. on the computer for entertainment. The next field is simulations. In the simulation, computers are used as virtual reality, means not real, means it create and feeling the conditions that looks like in real life. So computers gives training to pilot. For example, computers helps to learn surgery procedures and to practice operations to the medical students. So in the field of simulations, computers are efficiently used. The next use is personal use. We can use computers personally to write the letters, to send emails, for chatting, for web browsing, for listening music, for searching any type of informations on the net. The next widely used field is banking. Computers are widely used in banks also. For what? To create and maintain accounts of computers, to help customers to make the use of computerized ATM easily. Okay. The next field is multimedia. Multimedia is the combination of text, audio, video, images, animation, etc. Computer provides all these to develop the multimedia software such as games, movies, or animated softwares. The next is other areas. There are many other areas where we can see the use of computers, where computers are playing very important roles, such as the fields like transportation, stock market, hotels, reservations, shipping industries, etc. Okay, these are the applications of computer. Okay, students, if you find this video informative and knowledgeable, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and press the bell icon to get the next informative video. Okay students, thank you. Bye bye, stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, bye bye.